Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today we will unbox a webcam which is from A4TECH, and this is the model is PK940HA. So basically this will give you the full HD 1080p resolution, and there will be other some features like what is called autofocus and digital microphone, and support tripods. I don't know if I have to use tripods or what, but it will also have the features. So we'll unbox this today. Let's check this out. This looks pretty nice. I mean, this is cool. So we'll have to unbox it, and here we go.
It is viewed by Beee.
Here we go. And I wish the webcam will be pretty nice. I guess the wire is approximately 1.5 meter long, so we'll have to check this out. Yeah, this is long enough to
1 meter.
1 meter, and hopefully this will be long enough to use in the PC. And also the build quality looks nice. This is the signal light, I guess, and this is the microphone. I have my own microphone in my PC, so I really don't need this. And I don't know how to tighten this or mount this. I'll have to check out the process.
It's actually pulled out to the border of the monitor. Look at it. It will put and stand still. Over the border. You can show it to your viewers.
What if monitor has no border?
That's the border I'm talking about.
Well, you can see, you can just adjust the height and length, like you can tilt this from right to left and from front to backwards. So this will be pretty helpful for adjusting the
You can adjust it
Viewer.
manually and do it.
and yeah, that's how we have to incline this, I mean clamp this. We'll have to figure this out with the monitor, so we'll do this later. And this was the pretty simple unboxing video. Hopefully you all enjoy, and see you all soon with another interesting videos. And if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more of the interesting videos. See you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck and peace.